Next topic is architecture of data mining. So this is the diagram of architecture of data mining. So here the bottom contains all the databases, that is called as the data collection, a huge collection of data. So huge collection of data consists of the databases. It may be a data warehouse. As we know, data warehouse is the collection of historical data. We are integrating various heterogeneous sources of data into the data warehouse. Then it may be a world wide web, means all the data on the web and other information repositories. So this is the huge amounts of data, and we have to mine the knowledge from this data. So the first step in this is data pre-processing techniques, in which data cleaning, data integrations and selection is performed. As we know, data cleaning means removing the noise and errors from the data, as well as fill the missing data. If any data is missing, fill that data. If there is a noisy data, clean that noise. Data integration means integrate or merge the heterogeneous sources of data. And selection means the data which is relevant to the analysis tasks are retrieved from this huge data. After that, there is a database or data warehouse server. So by applying the deep data pre-processing techniques on the data warehouse server is built. Then after that, data mining engine. So what is the task of this data mining engine? Here the intelligence methods are applied which are used to mine the knowledge from the databases. So what to mine from the databases, that is depend on the knowledge base, means this knowledge base guide the data mining process. For example, there is a image database and we want to retrieve the flower images. So the retrieve flower images, this is the knowledge, and that is given by this knowledge base to the data mining techniques. Then after the data is mined, means knowledge is mined from the database, then that knowledge is represented by using various patterns to the user, and after that it is represented to the user in terms of various charts and graphs. Okay, so this is the architecture of data mining. So according to this, data mining is the process of discovering interesting patterns and knowledge from the large amounts of data. So the data sources can be include database, data warehouse, web and other information repositories. Okay, so this is the architecture of data mining system.